Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Surprise everyone! Yes, it's my birthday, September 11. I've just turned 59 years old, and frankly, I can't wait to be 60 next year. So I can enjoy all the benefits of being a senior citizen. I made a birthday cake today for myself, and I'm so excited because it's the first time that I'm making this walnut cake using like walnut meal. I know that some of you have concerns about oxalates in almond flour, so I started experimenting with walnut flour, which is a much healthier option, and I have successfully made walnut bread, buns, crackers, which you can see the video in my YouTube channel. And now I made walnut cake, so it's a big progress. And if you have not tried the walnut bread, let me tell you that the texture is so good, much better than almond flour. It is lighter, it's softer, and it's crispier even when toasted. And this walnut cake also turned out so delicious. It's so soft, so moist, and so aromatic. Really delicious. Now I made two walnut cakes today. One is using the usual whipping cream, so that's the plain one, and I made another one using yogurt. You can use sour cream as well. Okay, now they both taste the same, but the whipping cream version is darker in color and the top is very smooth, while the yogurt version is much lighter in color and the top is a bit rough. So I made the yogurt version into my birthday cake with buttercream frosting, which I will show you the recipe in the description box actually. Now you can actually make this walnut cake dairy free, just simply replacing the whipping cream with coconut cream, and the butter with coconut oil or even olive oil. Now as a heads up, I just want to share with you that I'm also experimenting with hazelnut flour, which I have successfully made into keto bread, and it is almost as good as the walnut bread. Seriously, so stay tuned for more recipes, new recipes with hazelnut flour coming up soon. Now those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate if you could do so and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new videos. And those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Now let's head to my kitchen. I'll show you how to make this keto walnut cake, which is super easy as usual.